So what is it you truly believe in as a vegan? Well, basically we just go about our lives and just do our best to not hurt animals unnecessarily. Live and let live, pretty much.
God damn it! Fucking vegans! Nobody's gonna tell me I can't eat meat! It says right here in the most accurate and important book ever written that rape victims should marry the rapists. Whoa, that's fucked. Murder all gay men? That's like around 10% of 3.5 billion people. That's like 350 million people. Jesus. God made it rain frogs and grasshoppers and then sent the angel of death to murder all the firstborn children in an entire country? Whoa, that escalated quickly. Damn, where's that quote?
And is that all there is to being a vegan? Oh, I wish. Nah, because something like 98% of the population won't stop abusing and killing animals, we gotta do our best to protect the defenseless from them, from people who still eat animals, or animal eaters for short. And how do you do that? Well, our main tactic, which is working, we're kind of blowing up, everywhere on Earth, is to use social media as well as books, documentaries, and just normal conversations like this, and inspire people to hopefully move their hands just a little bit to the left in the supermarket and choose meat and milk that isn't based on rape and murder.
Okay, slavery is legal now? What year was this written? Rules for selling your own daughter into slavery. Cast a magical spell and turn a stick into a snake. Is this even a right book? God damn it. Genocide, more genocide, mass murdering babies and pregnant women. Ugh. Okay, here it is. Animal sacrifice. Get yourself a baby animal. No, 2 innocent and defenseless baby animals, as well as a goat, an ox, and a ram. Stab them all in the throat, and then rub the blood on your children's ears. Seems unnecessary. Probably give my kid nightmares the rest of his life. Anyways, like I was saying, and then after you stab the animals to death and rub blood all over your kids' ears, then set the carcasses on fire. Because the all-powerful deity who created the entire universe likes the smell of burning baby animals. See? Don't you heathens see?
We have to sacrifice animals to our God!
Stupid vegans. Eating veggie burgers and shit. Sound like you're in a fucking cult.